Dear students, now we will see a problem which appeared in AIPMT 2014 from electrostatics chapter. In a region, the potential is represented by V of xyz is equal to 6x minus 8xy minus 8y plus 6yz, where V is in volts and xyz are in meters. The electric force experienced by a charge of 2 coulomb situated at point 1, 1, is option A 6√5 Newton, option B 30 Newton, option C 24 Newton, option D 4√35 Newton. We will see how to solve this problem. So solution. What is asked? Electric force. So what formula we have for electric force in electrostatics? Obviously electric force F is equal to QE. Okay, and Q is given to be 2 coulomb, but E is not directly given. Instead you are given V of xyz, which is given as 6x minus 8xy minus 8y plus 6yz. You see here x is a variable, y is a variable, z is a variable. These x, y, z, they are all variables. Okay, and of course 6 and these 8, 6 and all constants that you know already. So how do you find electric field? See, electric field at a point you can resolve it into 3 components: Ex I cap, Ey j cap, Ez k cap. Ex is given by the formula. Ex is given as minus del V by del x. It is given by minus del V by del x. So this is read as, it's similar to differentiation, but only thing here, x only should be taken as variable. Okay, y and z are constant so far as this operation is concerned. This is x component of the electric field. Similarly, y component of the electric field minus del V by del y. You can pronounce it as del. Sometimes it is pronounced as dou V by dou y, like that. But let's say we call it as minus del V by del y minus del V by del x. Ez, that is z component of the electric field, minus del V by del z. That is, here for this you will take x as variable, y, z constants. Here you will take y as variable, x and z constant. Here you will take z as variable, x and y constants. So we have to now partially differentiate this. Okay, so we will see Ex, x component of the electric field, minus del V by del x. You see V is here. You will have to differentiate it taking x as a variable. So concentrate on this. Okay, what do you get? Only x as a variable. So 6 minus 8y. This is constant. Here this is also constant. So on differentiation they give you 0. So simply 6 minus 8y. Y component. Here you will have to take y as a variable. So this is constant. So that will give you 0 on differentiation. Then minus 8x. Because y is only variable, x is constant, so minus 8x. This is minus 8 plus 6z. Okay, right? Note that we will have to consider negative of this. So let me put minus symbol. Here also let me put a minus symbol. Then Ez minus dou v by dou z minus dou v by dou z means constant, constant, constant. Here y is also constant, so 6y minus 6y. Okay, therefore E is equal to Ex. This is minus 6 plus 8y, so I write as 8y minus 6 I cap, left side a vector, so right side I introduce ijk. Then Ey will be 8x plus 8 minus 6z into j cap. Okay, then one more term, Ez, so minus 6y, so it is minus here minus 6y k cap. This is E. Okay, but we want to find E at the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. It means put the x value, y value, z value each equal to 1. So here you will get 8 minus 6, so 2i cap. Here 8 plus 8 minus 6, so plus 10 j cap. Here y is 1, no, so minus 6 k cap. This is the expression for electric field. This expression contains both magnitude and direction. Okay, it is of the form R is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. So now we will have to find out, because the way the question is asked in the options, you are only given the magnitude. You see 6 root 5, 30, 24, 4 root 35. So there is no question regarding the direction part of it. Therefore, we find out the magnitude of this E 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, so square root of 2 square plus 10 square minus 6 the whole square, so 4 plus 100 plus 36, 100 plus 36, so square root of 140, which is simply 4 root 35 under the square root. When you take this 4 outside, since there is a square root here, so it is 2 square root of 35. Okay, and now you see this is electric field, so unit will be Newton per Coulomb. But force is asked, therefore force, magnitude of that, Q is given as 2 into root 35, so 4 root 35 Newton. Okay, so the answer is 4 root 35 Newton, that is option D is correct. This is correct. Have you all understood it? Clear? Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next video.